Contact happened again on this calendar Thursday, 1 July 2021. Contact very significant and quite disturbed for 6661 for its company on this day. Contact say from Alien Park National also at the same time about activity human commanding goes to grave suspect on this building disturbed 6661 for its feminine ordinary life. Alien Park contact say on promotion on this building about Alien family victory through countries. Alien Family War International actually already happened and our result for Alien Family victories actually want to confirm promote through internet ID 6661 for the scar framing on this day. Through Arab and also Israel and then Iran also and through Istanbul or about Turkey. Contact quite absurd but similar with Hezbollah or Arabic Hezbollah. Contact say Alien International or through their war interest international there on Arab Israel on this millennium. And already result and need to promote one the ID 6661 for the scarf premium. And then finally victory for the war. About enemy or code millennium also actually code rebellion or human want to betray alien family god. National UFO and also called angel. Alien family delegation, safe nation, ID interplanetary quantum, or through their self-war interest international on this plane. And waiting for next appointment, called human commanding goes to grave. Next rebellion on international and planet Earth on plane. Context say this need to be confirmed by an ID 6661 for the scar framing. Will continue to progress investigation about phenomena supernatural that actually rebellion or enemy for alien family victory actually. Context say alien family international or win from America. Alien family on America on this millennium. Alien family interest war on America. Context say need to promote also on this moment calendar. Alien family international will continue the deployment called human commanding goods from grave. Betrayal on millennium. Contact alien family say actually already identified by alien family itself, already been conversation between alien with human countries on Europe and also America and Arab Israel. Alien family was confirmed during the ID 6661 for the scar framing for next match or appointment with human on his millennium. Alien family status from angel, self nation, ID to Ethereum Galactica. Appointment war already began since years before Reform 6661 for the scar framing. Since years before 2008 and already our result to alien family victory for the war. And Arab and also Israel also and then also Iran and to America also. National UFO alien family or a victory for the war on this millennium. Alien family are interest for chasing a betrayer called human war, called millennium, called human commanding goods from grave, or about human countries also. Want to betray or against national Ethereum Galactica. Alien family attribute status interfere with civilization. Since century to century, status attribute as God for religions. When they say about called satanic human also or called millennium, or it began since years before reform 666 one for discovering, and one continue about appointment 666 to 666 one for discovering. Alien Farm International will confirm about that, and also about their victories as basic from this conference. Alien Farm International on the victory on this millennium. National UFO and waiting appointment next called human commanding goods in Greek called millennium called Yahweh. Alien Farm International conference by 666 one for discovery on his calendar Thursday 1 July 2021. 666 one for discovery meaning based context say definitive or get connected to international by internet global and also contact Alien Farm International or it happened. Need to be continued with promote about Alien Farm status winner of this millennium. Alien Farm will continue for their declaration National Ethereum Galactica among human countries by internet ID 6661 for discovery. Meanwhile also about their victories status Rifalian also for human commanding goods from grave. Alien Farm will confirm for status authority supra international universe called National Ethereum Galactica. 6661 for discovery on this millennium context say on status as protocol or promote as ambassador for promotion Alien Farm Existence Trans Alibi International for supernatural case exists on its millennium called human commanding goods from grave code 666 code Yehoha code millennium for satanic human also. Alien Farm International contact for that confirmed improved by 666 one for discovery on this moment calendar. Context Alien Farm International need to conference about that for continue appointment need or about next victory for Alien Farm on this millennium. 666 one for discovery meaning a definitive trust conference on internet global about also reward to name it one Cornell, status pioneer case and also premier victim by suspect activity, human commanding goods from grave. About also case falling in same time since 2008 until this year 2021. Alien Farm International contact about appointment and refund number equal people. Good millennium. Alien Farm on self trademark and patent on its millennium. Conference my internet ID 6661 for discovery. 6661 for discovery meaning a definitive pioneering case, phenomenon supernatural, claim suspect human activity, local ethnic costumes, and about unknown peoples also since 2008 until this year 2021. Already authentic by internet global and peoples definitively known by them. 6661 for discovery meaning already get connected to international public and for trans alibi also alien family global on this millennium. Contact also include name, Sir Alien State, United States of America, and Sir Alien Emerter, the countries, National UFO, National Ethereum Galactica, and also name Sir Alien Morgue Angel. Contact say this momentum definitive need to be promoted by 666 one for discovery for continue alien family victories actually already happened on this millennium. Alien family on self-war international and already war victories since years before reform 666 one for discovery through Arab and also America. Alien family wanted to be promoted about that for continue appointment 666 on this millennium. Got human commanding goes from great. Next victory for alien family. Will take say alien family on money and interest to declare for start to save national money logo 666. Next ambassador, alien family on this millennium. 666 one discovery being definitive or allowing by alien family on international. Definitive or proof was established as pioneer of case human commanding Gosum Grave and also about status primer victim or proof status as Black God for case following. Context 666 one discovery meaning need to conference about that. For you would also to name one for name. Definitive case human commanding goes to grave and Hawks by statement internet ID 666 on discovery. Until this year 2021, it also experienced telecommunication contact body phenomena supernatural happening and now people non-responsible for money to name it one corner also. 666 one discovery already progressed on internet global since 2008 and to also experience telecommunication and contact body phenomena supernatural we started pioneer actually since 2008 or you get connected to international networking with white peoples on social media also and also local government national country Indonesia. Context says suspect definitive already recognized actually peoples among social and also about the networking each other for internet global connection. 666 one for discovery contact on this moment calendar to continue alien final appointment victories on this millennium. Thursday 1 July 2021. Alien Emerter General National Ethereum Galactica wanted to match for the appointment with alien family served national war international victory on this millennium. Appointment 666 continue for alien family victory next on this millennium. Context alien family international to also name alien Emerter General on stars of tribute need to be recognized as honor of religions, God of Trinity, and also Islam, Sharia or Islam as meal and also another religions need to be recognized by peoples on this millennium. Alien Family International on self-interest war international we call human commanding Gosum Grave as next war of alien family that actually already win victory by alien family self since this moment progress years to years. 2020, 2015, 2021 about claim internet ID 666 for discovery actually and alien file won't continue for about decoration and also another contact confirmation international between alien with human countries called National Ethereum Galactica. Alien family our appointment for status owner set national money logo. Status ambassador to number called Vivo 666. Context appointment include also about reward to name in one corner. 666 one for discovery. Thank you very much. Conference promote already made by 666 one for discovery on this calendar Thursday, 1 July 2021. Ellen Farr International, definitive hero for 6661 for the scarf premium. Definitive trust alibi on international. Context say Ellen family actually already being approved by countries are only capable for conversation and also self-committed for deployment and also about project. So also about 666, the one for the scarf premium. Ellen Farr International, based context say definitive already been known by peoples international through countries such as also United States of America and also other countries on America and also through Europe and other countries on Europe and also Arab Israel and countries on Arab Israel. And next also on Asia or another also such as also Africa and Australia and Indonesia. Actually, include also about this experience, phenomenon, telecommunication, contact body, supernatural, suspect or definitive, the human or conspiration among social. 6661 for this privilege can be found through internet global social media on this day and very progressive since 2008 because also on interest to pioneering case phenomenon supernatural actually. On Google can be searched for literature and also people's there and link for the website also such as also Blogspot and another. And through Facebook also for the page and group also. And on YouTube also for subscribe still needed with ID 666 ICDM or another ID also that are in relation to 6661 for the staff premises as also Professor Juan Cornell or 666 ICDM also. 6661 for the staff premises want to say thank you very much international connection. This moment experience phenomenon supernatural telecommunication contact body definitive or being approved non-hoax or fake statement by internet ID 6661 for the scarf premises. Definitive or suspect the human unknown peoples, unknown religions, unresponsible peoples to countries. 6661 for the scarf premises wanted to say thank you very much for the momentum experience on display. Ellen Farr International definitive need to contact sustain for them. 6661 for the scarf premises the 6-day God was created human as similar to Father and Son and Holy Spirit. Actually question why 6661 for the scarf premises to suspect human commanding goes to grave on this millennium. And already contact confirm Ellen Farr International for status code to declare Ellen Farr status owner self-ambassador code numbering code people 666 appointment project self-national money logo among human countries Ellen family ownership symbol money 666 code national Ethereum Galactica 6661 for the scarf privilege definitive status of black gold while suspect and still being fueling or on experience or in life until this year 2021. 6661 for the scarf privilege which context definitively through 666 century to century honored by Ellen Emerald herself with relation historical also to Trinity of Christianity and also emperor and kingdom and about Islam also and Buricita and named to alien Emerald Holy Spirit destiny with explanation struggle of case human commanding goes to grave or millennium. Also about decoration existential alien farming national money logo 666. Confirm also through this moment in calendar about alien farms to promote as owner of geography planet Mars. Ellen Farley understands as guard of universe planet Mars, developer for existence in living planet called planet Mars. Ellen Farley International already been promoted by 6661 for the scarf premium on this moment calendar also. 6661 for the scarf premium want to say thank you very much as a point on his Mormon calendar. Alan Parsons now wants promote about the status winner of Millennium War through Arab and Israel and Iran also and through America. Still waiting appointment for the body for number of people. God human commanding God some great, God Yehovah, God Millennium, God satanic human. Thank you very much. 6661 for the scout family from a local country, Indonesia, town Medan, North Sumatra province. Holy pioneer since 2008 and very progressive for the conference and statement and also template for project design sketch also on internet global social media. Appointment is through 666 century to century by confirmed trust alibi, Ellen Farm himself, status yarn of religions since century to century and still continue to feature since this millennium also. 6661 for the Scout family, always support for Ellen Farming victory on international. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. Context say suspect or definitive include for case following since Ellen found victories also on this millennium through Arab and another. Phenomena supernatural on this millennium, definitive betrayal of alien friendship human. Thank you very much and see you again.